welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Jamie Greenberg's swag bag. So if you guys don't know what this is, it is a monthly subscription service. It is $63 a month, I believe it is, and the products in here range. You do get some makeup, you get some skincare, you get some hair care. So I really do love these monthly swag bags. They're probably one of my favorite bags because she gives no hints, no nothing. You literally don't know what you get until you open up the bag, which is just so awesome. So they usually do have a wait list, so if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the link down below. I think they are all sold out, so I don't think you can get the bag next month, but definitely, like, if you guys are interested in this, click the link, then just hit like the waitlist button so you can get this bag because it is a bomb. I really do like this. So before we jump into this unboxing, I just want to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then also please do not forget to subscribe before you go. And without further ado, let's get unboxing, guys. Alright, so she always does have a cute little card in here. So these are just some of her favorite products that we're going to see in this month's bag. And then she also does do live videos. So she did a live video yesterday, Friday. It was yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday she did the live video and it was at like 4 o'clock EST. I think it's 1 p.m. PST, but she always does do unboxings and giveaways and stuff on her channel for website. So let me just go ahead and just start showing you guys. So a lot of these products, because she doesn't really give like a lot of makeup all of the time, and sometimes she doesn't give a lot of like full face products. I really never do a full face of stuff featuring her stuff in the bag, and that is just because, like I said, like I can't do a full face of it. So a lot of these products I tend to use for first impressions. So I'm actually getting ready. I want to film a first impressions probably next week. So I feel like this stuff is great because a lot of these products I do use for the first impression. I also really do like the packaging of her bag because it literally comes in a FedEx box. Then in the FedEx box it is the bag itself, and then it's just wrapped, like all their products are wrapped in cute little tissue paper. This one is like winter themed, and then it does have bubble wrap surrounding it, so it is very cost efficient. Like I like that. I like the minimal packaging. So first thing I picked up, this is the Bliss Renew and Smooth Glycolic Polythyroxy Acid Night Serum. I love night serums, so I'm super excited to test this out. I actually have never used Bliss products. I don't believe I have, so I'm super excited to test this out, see how this works. Okay, that is what it looks like. Cute little blue packaging. Yeah, I'm super excited. Let me put some on the back of my hand to show you guys. Ooh, all right, so it looks clear. Ooh, that feels soft. Ooh. That smells really good, actually. That smells incredibly good. So I'm super excited to test this out. With any serum, you want to apply it before your moisturizer, I believe she said. Yeah, allow to absorb and follow with your moisturizer if desired. Mild tingling may occur if you begin using this product. Begin by using this every other night. Keep in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. So I'm super excited to test this out. Basically a resurfacing night serum to transform dull skin to visibly brighter and smoother skin overnight. Ooh, that is what I need. I'm so excited to test this out. I'm really excited to test this out. I love using night serums. I feel like that is one of my guilty pleasures. I have really oily skin. I have a lot of texture, so I love using products that help to minimize like my texture, all that stuff, and I'm super excited to test that out. And the next thing that I have in here, this is from Wonder Beauty. This is the extra mileage hair refresher. Okay, and my battery is going to die, so let me change that very quickly. So let me go ahead and continue talking about this. So this is from Wonder Beauty. Shake that up a little bit. Let's see. All right, so this is get the most mileage out of your hair. A revolutionary liquid hair refresher absorbs excess oil, provides a natural looking texture, and promotes healthier, stronger hair. Ooh, all right, let's test this out. Ooh, that smells nice. All right, I'm just gonna put it basically all over my hair because all of my hair needs a nice refresher, and I need to do my hair. I'm gonna do it tonight, I promise. Ooh, That feels really nice on the hair. It feels like wet. It doesn't leave my hair feeling like sticky or anything like that, so I do really like that. Yeah, that's nice. I like the smell of this. It smells really good. I feel like even for like when you just need like a nice, basically refresher, like this said, like you want your hair to smell nice, I feel like this is great. I really like this. Yes, okay. So next product I have, this is from the Only Puss Pout. This is in the shade Sideways, and I believe this is a lipstick. This is what that is looking like. I really love the packaging on this, and it's magnetic. Like, look. That is so cool. It's magnetic. All right, so Puss Pout. I know this stands for something like powerful. I don't remember what it stands for. I'll put it on the screen if I can find it. But this definitely stands for something. I'm super excited. Ooh, this color. Sorry about that. I feel like my camera, something has been going on, and I feel like I'm not as light as I usually am. Like, it just makes me look super dark. But anyway, I love this color. This color is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's not going to go in my eye look, but let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. This is a matte lipstick. That is beautiful. That is such a stunning color. This swatch is actually the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. But this is beautiful. I am obsessed with this color. Looks so nice. And also, don't mind this. That is spray tan. But that color looks stunning. I am obsessed. It looks beautiful. I have another lip product that I'm going to go ahead and open up right now. This is from Physicians Formula. I actually really like Physicians Formula Murmur Butter lipsticks, and this is actually the Mirror Butter. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably butchering it, but you guys will let me know if I'm saying it wrong in the comments. This is the Guava Mama. I don't smell. It doesn't have its like signature like summer coconut smell, but that is what that looks like. It looks very summery. I don't know if I'm gonna really use that much. Ooh, that looks pretty though. Yeah, okay, I lied. I definitely will. This is definitely more of a cream lipstick. It's very buttery. Be careful how you apply it. You don't want to lift it like up all the way and then apply mushes on your lips, for better lack of term. But that looks really pretty. So I'm super excited to use this. I probably won't be using that in this winter, but summertime, that is beautiful. Now let's move on to these two bad boys. These are the Lorac Luxe Diamond Cream eyeshadows, and that is what they look like. I have the shade Lace and the shade Velvet. Let me go ahead and open up the shade Velvet for you guys. I'm super excited to test these out because I've heard amazing things. This one is like a brown shade, and I heard this one has bits of copper in it, I believe, but that is what that looks like. And let me go ahead. Ooh, that feels really nice. That feels really nice. Let me go ahead and just swatch it right up here. Oh, that is beautiful. You can use this with your finger. You can use it with a brush. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, let me see. And look, that is actually blending out beautifully. That's blending out really pretty. That looks gorgeous. I'm super excited to test this out on my eyes because that is beautiful. I think this has crushed copper in it, but that is just stunning. I'm super excited to go ahead and test this out because that looks beautiful. So next, let's open up the shade Lace, and same exact packaging. Super excited. This one is broken, as you guys could see, but one thing with the loose shadows, or shadows like this, like kind of like the pressed shadows, it doesn't matter if they're broken because you could still just use them. That is stunning. That is so pretty. I'm obsessed. That just all over the eye, for if you're doing like a no makeup look, that is beautiful. That is so pretty. Just rub that all over the eye. This, I believe, has diamond particles in here, I believe, but that is just so beautiful. Yes, I'm obsessed. I love it. It looks really pretty, and I'm really excited to use this. That looks stunning. And that just on the eye, if you guys want to use brushes, you could put this on right on the center of your eye, and then use that darker shade, the shade Velvet, for like the outer portion of your eye. That's gonna look stunning. I'm super excited to use these. So next thing that we have, this is the Finishing Touch the Lawless Contour Micro Vibrating Facial Roller and Massager. Ooh, that was a mouthful to say, but I'm super excited to test this out. Also, I just want to say I apologize if I'm like going in and out of like frame, or like 1 minute I'm super close, next minute I'm not. That seems to be the only way my camera is letting me be this color, is if I'm constantly changing it. So I definitely do apologize for that. Oh, and it comes with the battery too. All right, you have your little directions and stuff on the back, which is this right here. Oh my gosh, that vibrates. This is my first one that has like the vibrating. Oh, I get it. I thought that you could pop this on like the other side, but no. So you first have the roller, you just turn it on. I have makeup on, so I really don't want to rub this all over with makeup, but you basically just put it on and then you just roll in an upward motion all around your face, like forehead, everything. This is a really good to help with inflammation. This is really good to get your blood flowing. This is supposed to just help get rid of wrinkles. Like, this is actually amazing. And then you have this other attachment right here, which looks like this. And then you turn this on, and this I'm super excited about because this is supposed to be really good for underneath your eyes. You just go right here. It's supposed to help get rid of dark circles, any under eye bags, any wrinkles that you have. So I am like super excited to test this out. I actually don't have any that vibrate, so I'm super excited to see how this works. I do have other jade rollers that are literally just that, just jade rollers. I don't have this attachment, and I don't have one that vibrates, so I'm super excited to use this. I love jade rollers. To me, they really help to make my skincare kind of sink into my skin a little bit better. So usually what I do is, like on Sundays or a few nights a week when I'm just binge watching TV, I will have all of my skincare on. Like, I just finished the mask, I now have like my moisturizer and whatever on, and then I'll just roll like on my face. Like, I just literally, that's all I do, just go in upward motions. You can do your neck. You want to make sure to go upward when you do your neck, so you always just want to start at the base, then just roll up. And it just feels really nice. This is definitely cooling, so you can keep it in your refrigerator. Both of these attachments just keep in your refrigerator, and it's just really nice. Like, I really like how it feels. When you're doing a sheet mask, if you have the sheet mask on your face, you could totally just roll it on. It just really sinks it into the skin. It's amazing. I love these, so I'm super excited to test this out, especially this one for the attachment underneath the eye. That is going to be so darn good, especially when it's cold. Oh, it's going to be amazing. So I'm super excited to test this out. One thing that I do want to say is you want to make sure that you do clean these regularly. So use an alcohol wipe pad, swab, whatever, and just make sure to just clean this because you are massaging that all over your face. So just be mindful of that. But next thing that I have, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight. This is a cream to powder highlight. I'm so excited to test this out. This one is in the shade Rose Gold, and I love Physician Formula products. I have used their other butter highlights before. I just have not used the Rose Gold one. I think this one is a new one, so I haven't used this one, but they're good. Like, their bronzer, it's amazing. Like, I love it. Smell is delicious. So that is what that is looking like, and it has that like summer sunscreen on the beach scent, and I love using this especially during winter time because I feel like it just brings me back to the summer, and I'm like, yes, I do want to be at the beach right now smelling like this, but it's actually 30 degrees outside, and I'm in a sweatshirt and it's really cold, but I smell like I'm at the beach, so I feel a little bit better. But I'm super excited. It feels so soft, guys. That is what that looks like. That is a beautiful highlight, and that just feels so good on the skin. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this color. That feels beautiful. That feels like a slip to it. It feels really nice. I'm obsessed. I really love this color. I feel like it's beautiful. It's gonna look so good on the skin. So yeah, I love this and I'm excited. And then last but not least, I am so excited for this one. I love eyeliners, but I feel like I don't have enough eyeliners. I've actually never used this. This is the Dahle 10 Proven Beauty Solutions All I Need Eyeliner Collection. So this is so exciting. So many eyeliners. I love eyeliners. So you get 6 eyeliners. So we have Does this say? We have a Noir, we have a Amethyst, which is purple, we have a Cobalt, which is blue, we have a Midnight Smoke, which is like a gray black, we have a Cocoa, which is brown, and we have a Bronze, which is just a bronze color. So that is these eye pencils right here. And one also really cool thing about this is that these are self-sharpening. Like when she said that, I was like, what does that even mean? Like what is like self-sharpening? I don't understand. Self-sharpening, they have, I'll show you guys. So like when you put it on, you have to like twist it. It's not your usual like pull out, but it like sharpens inside of this cap. Like when you look inside, you could see like it has like little like a sharpener in there. I don't know, it's just so cool. I'm obsessed. I love it. I actually I'm gonna put some on my eye right now because I need a black eyeliner and I knew that these had it and I was like, yeah, let me do it. Okay, so that is one eye with the eyeliner. Is it the blackest eyeliner I have ever used? No. But do I like it? Yes. Sorry, I know a lot of you are probably like, that is disgusting. Like, I don't want to see that. So, sorry. And yes, you're not supposed to tug at your eye, but I have contacts in. I don't want the size of the eye. So that is why I always tug down. Usually if you want to do that, definitely use a brush, like a clean brush. Like this one is clean. I should have used that and like done it that way. So do as they say, not as they do. But that looks really good. I really do like it. I feel like it's blackest one I've ever used. No, but it does get the job done. I really like it. I'm super excited to use the other colors in here. So yeah, I like it. I love eyeliners. I use them all the time and I feel like these colors are definitely ones that I will be reaching for. So that is actually everything from this bag, guys. Okay guys, so that is everything that I did get in this month's swag bag and I really love everything. I'm super excited to test everything out. So a lot of these products you will be seeing in like first impression videos. So I'm super excited, but I really do love this month's box. I feel like it is amazing. I love a lot of these products. Butter bronzer, I'm obsessed. I really love it. I know I'm gonna love this. Then I also have some new products that I'm gonna be testing out, like these eyeliners that I actually, they're doing a pretty good job, and like this lipstick looks stunning. So yeah, I'm really excited and I'm really happy about everything that is in this bag. Again, I do apologize for the constant going in, zooming out of this video, but something is going on with my camera and the lighting just isn't there, so I definitely do apologize for that, guys. I'm gonna see if Ivan and I can try to fix that because that is definitely really annoying. So I definitely do apologize, but that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you did enjoy, and if you guys are interested in this box, I'm gonna leave the link down below. There may be a wait list, but all you have to do is just subscribe to be on the wait list, and then when a spot opens up, you do get it. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and before you go, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. EST, but I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a few days in my next video. Bye!